Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send MATIC from your Phantom wallet to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. MATIC, now known as Polygon, is a popular token for fast transactions, and KuCoin is a go-to exchange for trading. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this yourself in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. Phantom is a user-friendly wallet for Ethereum and Polygon networks, so if you haven't already, download it from the official site to avoid any scams. Once you're in, check your balance to confirm you have some MATIC ready to send. Next, head over to KuCoin. Log into your KuCoin account and go to the Assets or Deposit section. Select MATIC or Polygon from the list of cryptocurrencies. KuCoin will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, tap on the Send button. Paste the KuCoin deposit address into the recipient field. Select MATIC as the token you're sending, enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees. They're usually pretty low on Polygon, but it's good to check current rates. Before you hit confirm, review the details one more time. Once you're sure, approve the transaction. You'll need to sign it with your wallet, and then wait for it to process on the blockchain. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. After that, jump back to KuCoin and refresh your assets page. Your MATIC should show up soon. If it doesn't, give it a bit more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. A quick word of caution: always use the official apps and websites to avoid phishing attacks. And never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.